For today's lesson, we'll be discussing about finding the LCM using the continuous division method. Before that, let us first try to list down the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. For number 4, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. For 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. For number 7, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. For 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So these are the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. So what is a multiple? The multiple of a number is a number that results from multiplying the given number by a whole number. Just like the example a while ago, to get the first 5 multiples of 4, we need to multiply 4 for each of the whole numbers that we have in our counting numbers. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. So all the answers here, or all the products here, are the multiples of our number 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So these are the first 5 multiples of the number 4. Or we just simply do the skip counting. So what are common multiples? Common multiples are numbers that are multiples of 2 or more numbers, and these are the multiples that 2 or more numbers share. Ito yung kaparehas na meron yung dalawang numbers na multiples. What is a least common multiple? Sorry, this is just LCM, or what we call LCM. The least common multiple is the smallest number that is divisible by the given numbers, and it is the smallest number that is a multiple of the given numbers. So to do that, let us try to find the LCM of the following numbers. The method that we will use here is the continuous division method. So we have the numbers here 3, 15, and 21. So again, take note to use a prime numbers or a prime number in dividing our numbers using continuous division. So the number here that is that can be used to divide the number 3, 15, and 21 is the number 3. This number 3 is the common factor of each number. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 15 divided by 3 is 5, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So since the remaining numbers are 1, 5, 7, and they do not have any common factor anymore, so we simply get all the numbers here on your left side and the remaining numbers at the bottom part of your continuous division. And then after that, we simply multiply all the numbers. So 3 times 1 times 5 times 7. So 3 times 1, we have 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And then 15 times 7 is 105. So therefore, the LCM of 3, 15, and 21 is 105. Next, we have the numbers 25, 35, and 100. So the common factors of these three numbers is the number 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 37 divided by 5 is 7. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So we now have the remaining numbers, which are 5, 7, and 20. So since we can still divide the two numbers here by a common factor, which is the number 5 and number 20, we can still continue dividing them by their common factor, which is the number 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 7, we bring down the number 7. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Since there are no more common factors for numbers 1, 7, and 4, we can now multiply the remaining numbers, which are 1, 7, 4, by the divisors that we used, which are the number 5 and the number 5. So 5 times 5 times 1 times 7 times 4. So we have 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times 7 is 175. And 175 times 4 is 700. So the LCM of the numbers 25, 35, and 100 is 700. So for the last letter, we have 6, 12, 36, 12, 36, and 240. So let us divide the numbers by the number 2. 6 divided by 2 is 2. 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 36 divided by 2 is 18. And then 240 divided by 2 is 120. Next, divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 120 divided by 3 is 40. We can still divide 2, 6, and 40 by the number 2. So let us copy 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 40 divided by 2 is 20. Since we do not have any common factors, we can now multiply all the numbers. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 times 20 is 720. So the LCM for letter C is 720.